It's cold outside, and welcome to day 2 update. Today I was thinking about support networks and feelings of being incapable, but also loads of love and gratitude. And so this past maybe week and a half, I was having some symptoms of tons and tons of pain and lack of mobility and loads of tiredness. And there were, I have to burp, excuse me. There were some times where I was having difficult walking and needed help walking to the bathroom, or needed help getting dressed and undressed, needed help with eating and drinking water. And for some of it, I felt like super incapable and super dependent, and had thoughts going in my mind of, will I be able to function normally, and go back to work full time and go back to the office and things like that. And then I was reflecting on the past couple months where before I know I had some autoimmune diseases, but not lupus. And some of my symptoms, I was still able to work full time and go to the office and do life. But I noticed that some of the things were getting worse, like, more swollen body parts and stiffness and pain. Ooh, it's cold. But still being able to work through it. And so that made me realize that even when things aren't super easy, I still can function well. And so that was a nice reminder. And to be able to put those thoughts of being incapable and not functioning well aside. And then also with this huge support network, a positive out of all of this is just realizing all the support I have, and it's a huge support network I have of my parents taking care of me, of my siblings coming over and taking care of me, whether it's helping me eat or taking me to doctor appointments, to cousins coming over and helping taking care of me, to getting phone calls and emails and texts and a bunch of support. And I remember we had a family dinner, I think maybe last weekend, and I was like on the couch and really unable to move and do too much or not do too much. And our family was going around the table saying what we're grateful for. And I just started crying when it came to me, saying I'm just so grateful for my family and all the love and support, and how shared I was, just feeling like super dependent, but really glad that I just had tons of support. And it's like, I'm getting, and aunts and uncles are also calling and like getting flower sent and balloon sent. And so it's just been a really overwhelming outpouring of love and support, which I really appreciate. And so even though some of the symptoms are unfun and bring negative thoughts, it also brings out this really beautiful side of things that I really appreciate in my life. And so I think that's something I always think about whenever difficult things happen, like, ooh, I'm still cold. Loss, death of a loved one. This is a similar theme pops up. But even though it's difficult, then all my family, all my friends, we come together, and there's like so much love. And so it's an interesting thing to think about that duality with anything that could be difficult. How it's not just all negative. There's the shadow and light side to things. And still cold. Almost done. A quick health update. Medication. I get to start taking more of that today, and I already messed up and misread some emails, but that's fine. And so I'll learn about that more. Thinking about getting one of those pill things of like, take it this day and this time, and with already the pre-amount there, so I don't make future mistakes. And then some other health stuff. There might be some more, I guess, just health stuff going on. So I'll have an endocrinologist, I might be mispronouncing stuff, appointment tomorrow, and some GI appointments soon. And then in a month, we'll see if I need to check out my kidneys for some stuff. But the positive side of all those checkups is I'm excited that everything is just surfacing up now. So hopefully that anything that's not going too well will all surface up. Then I could start just treatment and changing some lifestyle habits and feeling really good for the most part. And so that is the update for day 2. And I'm looking forward to tomorrow's day 3 update. Bye.